Hey, I'm Shari Philamahala with Graphic 45, here to show you inside of our Fairy Dust Collection. It's a brand new pastel line we've got. In this collection, you're going to find a collection pack. It's got 2 of each of those 8 double-sided 12x12 papers with a 12x12 sticker sheet, as well as the 12x12 patterns and solids. And we'll just flip through there. You can see those gorgeous glitter sparkles, some fun easy prints, a lot of fun stuff to work with that. Also get the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet, as well as the 8x8 paper pad. The 8x8 paper pad's got 3 of each of those sheets, giving you 24 sheets to work with. And then if we can come into this decorative chipboard, there's journaling spots as well as buttons, some fun stuff to work with and add dimension to your projects. And then 2 each of these double-sided cardstock tags and pockets. So that's just a little sample of the papers, but what you can do with it is up to you. And you can see our designers have gone wild with their magical creations. Can really make this pop. And using our rectangle tags and pocket album, you can see our designer Yumi Moreta made this gorgeous mini album. So lots of opportunities to create your own magic.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!